Yes, it's commercial whirlpool. It's a good whirlpool, a good quality. These are my tools, and the problem stands here. This is a new one transmission for this baby, and I need to replace this one, the transmission. I put this one, and I need to screw this one, and I need to take it apart and pick up and replace the transmission. Yeah, if your washer has a noise, maybe something, you can just call me and I come to you and fix it. Yes, this is the next step. Yes, I need to take it apart. This is transmission. I know it's not easy. Yeah, it's not easy, but it's my job. Yeah, this is a new one. I think it should work after my replacement. The new transmission, it will be work maybe like 3-5 years, like a new one, you know. Oh yes, I got this one. This is old one. This is oil leak. Yeah, this is a new one. Like baby, I need just to install a new one right here. Ooh. Oh yeah, it's finally done. Now it's working. This is old one. This is like a new one. Yeah.